Hello friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Moonshot's Honey Coverlet Eyeshadow Palette in collaboration with Yoo In-Na. This is the smallest palette I have ever seen in my life. It is a 9.5 gram palette retailing for $30. Now Moonshot claims that everlasting powder enhances adhesive power for long-lasting eye makeup without darkening. Buildable melting texture containing butter coating power offers smooth application and easy blending. Contains 10 rich shades, sweet and soft colors with pearl and matte textures. The shade names and guide to mix colors is printed on the box. It has its signature dark green and beige color packaging. The case is plastic that feels so soft and like velvet when you touch it. Packaging is very chic and the palette is travel friendly. The palette's lid is magnetic and gives it a deluxe feel. You get 8 mattes and 2 pearl shades. Plastic protector protects the eyeshadows and has cute leaves printed on it. This small palette includes a mirror as well. The palette has all the important shades for daily use. There are shade names I edited for you guys and here it is. So here are the shade names printed on the box. I think the palette is best for office going people and for those who want soft natural look like Korean celebrities. Now let's see the swatches before I test it on my own eyes. The colors are very creamy and butter texture to be honest. Some colors are very pigmented while others are soft. I just love the palette so far. It's of very good quality to be honest. So let's see how these shadows perform on the eyes. So firstly, I'm taking the shade Soft Pillow and applying it all over my eyelid. Moonshot stated to use fingers, but I like my brushes more. Then I'm taking cinnamon milk tea, pack it on your crease, like I'm doing it if you're going to follow it. To be honest, shadows are very creamy. Even a beginner can do makeup and get away with it without looking bad. Then I'm taking Nutty Brown and applying it on the outer eyelid area and packing it over the crease as well. For the record, I don't know how to do makeup, so don't just come at me that it's hideous. I know it myself. Now applying it on half of the lower lash line as well, connecting it with the shadow outside. Applying Rusting Chair on the lower lash line and above my eyelid, making it like a liner. Now I'm packing Rustic Chair where I want my eyeliner to be. With a clean brush, I'm smudging the liner to give it a gradient effect. Now mixing both the pearl shades together, I'm applying it on my inner corner. Pearl shades have micro glitter in it and Korean pearl is really famous for being reflective. And now applying some pearl shadow mix in the middle. So here is the final look. My eyes look super soft. Even though I don't know how to do makeup, everything looks pretty fine. I used Sweet Candle on my cheeks as highlighter. The shadows are really creamy and melt into the skin. The pearl shadows are reflective but not blinding. The shadows are not powdery or patchy. All the shadows blend well. Overall, I will recommend this palette 5 by 5 from my side. No one uses those big shadow palettes. So seriously girls, invest in this. Guys, don't forget to leave a comment and tell me about your favorite eyeshadow. This is me, Leneha Junsu, signing off. Bye!